Hello everyone, do you want to know how I went from 0 to over 125,000 Instagram followers? I didn't spend money, I didn't buy fake followers, and I didn't use fake accounts. I was like everyone else, posting pictures, using hashtags, waiting, and nothing happened. But when I tried this method, everything changed. As you can see, all followers are real and active, so your account will be safe. I promise it's 100% free, guaranteed, and you can use this method once every 24 hours. And today, I'm going to share exactly how you can do it, whether you're on Android or iPhone, so everyone can get free Instagram followers. But here's the thing, there are a few critical steps and important settings you must adjust, or it simply won't work. So make sure you watch this video carefully, all the way to the end. Ready to unlock the secret? Let's dive in. We need to make sure your account is not set to private. Go to settings, then tap on privacy, and make sure the private account option is turned off. Now go back, scroll down, and tap on follow and invite friends. Look for an option called flag for review, and make sure it's turned off. This setting can block your visibility and stop followers from reaching your account. As you can see, I'm still getting a new follower. It's an amazing method. Now, if you're using an iPhone, do this with me step by step. But if you're using Android, your part is coming. Let's go through the iPhone settings, then tap on General. And after that, tap on Background App Refresh. Make sure it's turned on both networks, Wi-Fi and data. This lets Instagram run in the background properly, so make sure Instagram app is turned on to receive the followers without interruption. Now, before we move on, make sure you've done all the steps exactly as I showed you, and that's why the method worked perfectly for me. Now let's jump into the Android. This right here is the account of one of my followers. They reached out to me asking if I could help boost their followers. This account had just around 1,000 followers, but today we're going to grow it to the next level. Now let's check privacy settings. Now go to account privacy and make sure your account is set to public. If your account is private, this method will not work. Public mode is what allows new followers to actually find and follow you without restrictions. Oh, and don't forget to disable flag for review by going to follow and invite friends. If this is on, your requests may get blocked and you will not receive any followers. Now we need to adjust one more critical setting for Android users. Head over to your phone's settings, then tap on App Management. Now, search for Instagram app. Tap on data usage or mobile data and Wi-Fi, and make sure both options are enabled. Alright, now that we've set everything up perfectly, let's open this exclusive website by which you will get free followers for all social media platforms. I will put the link in the first comment. Once you're on the website, tap the three lines at the top. Choose the service you want. For now, we're selecting Instagram. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page, and there it is. Go ahead, click on Free Instagram Followers button. A new page opens up. Look at that. There are hundreds of users gaining followers right now. We are about to join them. Go to the Instagram app. Let's copy Instagram username correctly. Click on Edit Profile, then Username. Copy it. Once it's copied, head back to the website. Paste it here, and when you're ready, tap Find Username. The website is now searching for your account. So ensure your account isn't private. Look at that. Yes, it's mine. It shows up your profile picture, your username, and follower count. The website now gives you access to the best plans to grow your followers. These plans are 100% safe, also free. I usually choose 2,000, 500,000 followers. As you can see, the website is now preparing real followers for my account. These aren't bots or fake accounts, they're active, real users ready to follow you. Just a few more seconds and we'll launch the followers right into the account. Due to the high demand and the large number of users right now, the system needs to verify your identity before sending the followers. This last step is super important. Click on Verify Now to confirm that you're a real user and that you're not selling these followers. Now, the site will show you a list of simple tasks based on your country. To complete your verification, you'll need to finish as many tasks as possible. Remember, it's a quick and easy way to verify, and you'll get the followers instantly. Let's complete this task quickly. Just a few simple questions, answer them, choose the right answers until finished. Don't forget this task can be completed by email, mobile number, survey, or download and run an app. Make sure you complete every task correctly to get your followers. Well, first task done within 30 seconds. Let's go back to the website and complete other tasks. I advise you to complete at least 2 tasks and make sure you do them correctly. This task is also a survey, but don't worry, I'll answer all questions until I finish. And if you've tried this method but it didn't work for you, DM me on Instagram. I'll personally help you and do it for you. Perfect, I've just completed the second task successfully. Now let's go back to the website and continue with the next steps. We're getting closer. Remember, if the website didn't move you to the next step, you might need to complete a few more tasks to verify you and ensure everything works correctly. Once that's done, you'll be able to continue. As you can see, I am talking about that, verified successfully. Now you will be redirected to the final step to confirm my username and receive the followers, so I will paste my username here and click confirm. Wow, the website is now sending real followers to my account. As you can see, the followers have been sent successfully. Let's head over to Instagram and check. Yes! The followers are coming in right now. This method is guaranteed and it works perfectly on both devices. If you follow all the steps exactly as I showed you, you'll start gaining thousands of real followers for free. Now I have more than 3,500 followers. It's working exactly like I told you. All followers I'm getting are real people with active stories and real profiles, so your account will be safe after receiving the followers. If this method worked for you, let me know in the comments. I wish you a great day filled with tons of new followers. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more powerful tips in my next videos.